In this video, we're going to look at the site header settings in themes, colors, and fonts in our Google site. We'll go ahead and click Site Header. The site header is this area of your website right here. So we can customize the background. We could pick a color that we have out of the image, and we could add that for our background if we wanted to. We can also use an image in the site header if we would prefer to do that. But since we have this image back here, we're going to go ahead and just use a color for our background of our site header. The title can also be customized, and the title is just this one line right here. Whatever you named your website, that is in the site header. So we can change the theme or the font, excuse me, and in this instance, because it's one line, it's fairly short. If you wanted to use a font that's a little more fancy or decorative for this area, you certainly could go ahead and do that. We could also change the color, and again, maybe we pick a color that we have in our background here and change the color that way. So that just change it a little bit. We can also use the default, the theme size, or we can change the size of this text, the title right here, and adjust it there. I'm going to go with the theme size for this. Now, one thing that we also have in our header, our site header, is this search box right here. If you have a well-organized sidebar, in other words, your users can come in here and find exactly what they need by navigating through the sidebar, there really isn't any reason for you to have this search box up here. And this will give you a little bit more room in your header. So before we go and take the search off, we're going to go ahead and save the changes that we've made so far. And to configure the search, we need to go to our general settings. On general, we're going to scroll down and look for configure search. This is right here. And we're going to uncheck Enable Search. Click OK, and we'll go ahead and save that. And then to see how this looks, we can go back to we'll go ahead and go back to our site to see the changes that we've made so far. Now you can see that the search box is removed, and you don't really need that if you have a well-organized sidebar. You can also see the changes that we've made so far to the background and to the site header.